Hello, I'm Dr. Saurabh Chadda, taking care of practice school for MBA students for Pilani. Now, this practice school is an internship model which is basically an educational institutional seeking to link industry experience with the university, instruction. So it basically, provides a platform, that facilitates and promotes partnership and intellectual exchange between academia and industry. So the main objective of this practice school or the internship-based model for MBA student is to meet the rapidly changing needs and challenges of a professional workplace. And for the industry also, it helps the students to apply their knowledge what they gain during the MBA program in a very unfamiliar and open-ended real-life situations. So as a result, it provides an economic relevance to the society also. So overall, if I want to say about this practice school, it brings the reality of the world of the work into the process of education. So the brief about the practice school for MBAs, it's a 5.5 months duration, which is generally carried for MBA students from January to June. Students participate and contribute in various life projects. Apart from those life projects, they are supported by stipend and other facilities like accommodation, travel reimbursements by the company. So this in a very nutshell, I want to talk about the practice school division for which